Hello and welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois, where we're looking at park models. We have a beautiful Summit 355 FL Loft. This is a blue trailer with white trim, and the greatest thing about these 2020 Summits I got is their retail price, $49.9. Come on down, we got two left. This one blue and white. It's got lights on the eaves, and it's got a entry light by the patio door, 20-gallon electric hot water heater. It's got plank PVC flooring on the entire main floor, 6-foot vinyl patio door. It's got a built-in fireplace. I got the fireplace going. There's your entertainment center. You got a rocker recliner, Mastercraft rocker recliner. You have an end table and a lamp. You have a sleeper sofa. You've got a table with 4 chairs. There's storage underneath the chairs. There's storage underneath the stairs too. See the doors back there? Here's the kitchen area. Kitchen, you got overhead cabinets, stainless steel single lever faucet, 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave. Check out this bathroom, fiberglass, one-piece fiberglass tub surround, shower or a tub. Take your pick. Medicine cabinet, vanity, of course the full-size toilet. This is the PVC flooring. It looks like 10-inch square linoleum, but it's not. Got a nice pantry in the hall here. Let me get a good view of it. Let me move over here. Maybe that'll help. Yeah, look at the pantry. And a lot of shelves. A 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave. Got a couple storage cabinets above. 18.5 cubic foot fridge. The bedroom is, they come with a queen and a bedspread. This has a Serta Queen mattress with the bedspread, a nightstand and a lamp. This is the Coastal Bay interior. So it's got the white cabinets. A lot of white in here makes it feel bigger and cleaner and larger. That'll fit either way. That's what I was going to say. It fits either way, and you could also fit a king in here. So this is a queen, but you could definitely have room for a king. Now the drawers all have full extension ball bearing drawer guides, just like that, so you have access to the entire drawer. The closets have lights in them. Nice big closets. It's got the traditional his and hers wardrobe. You've got 8 drawers and 4 doors. Another nice feature is the electrical panel. It's located behind the mirror here, and everything clearly marked. There you go. Everything's clear. So to recap, and we'll go look at the loft. Got a slider door in the master bedroom. You got a nice hall pantry. You got tall closets. You got up high cabinets, overhead cabinets by the sink. You got 6 drawers over there. This 5-burner range, that's nicer than the stove I have at home, and the 30-inch microwave. So let's go look at the loft. It's just your basic loft, but it covers half of the trailer. Now this is the only carpet, is in the stairs and the loft. That's the only place you're going to find carpet in this trailer. And there you go. Loft height is, I don't know, I'd say 4 feet. Sounds about right. 5 feet to the max, but this doesn't have the step down. So anyhow, nice big loft there. Coastal Bay interior. It's very bright in here. You can see. Got the ceiling fan. A lot of the light comes in. If you got any questions or need some more information, call Kelly at 815-849-9089. Welcome to come and look. Again, this one is $49.9. I love saying that because that's like a 10-year ago price for a loft. Yeah, that's how bad it is. That's right. Okay, so heading on through here. One last peek in case you had any questions. We'll even look at the bathroom. Fiberglass tub surround with the shower. Yes. And over here, toilet, sink, vanity, medicine cabinet, walk around queen, hall closet. Just really too many features to keep track of. Have a great day. We'll show you the next trailer. Goodbye for now. Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction today, where we're filming park model trailers. This is one of my favorite trailers. I've got 3 of them. It's a Summit 355 FL. A Summit 355 FL. This is unit number 5692. It's gray with white trim and white lineals. Since it's raining, I'm not going to look at the outside too much. I'm just going to head right on in. This is a park model certified by the RV Industry Association. That's why I always call them tiny house on steroids, because they have so much more going on than a tiny house. There's the fireplace, place for the entertainment center. You can mount your TV there. Got some LED lights up front. End table and the lamp. Rocker recliner, sleeper sofa, table and 4 chairs. And you definitely have storage underneath your chairs. Great big kitchen. There's also storage under the steps. Right there is storage. Full extension ball bearing drawer guides on all the drawers. That means you have access to the entire drawer. You've got some overhead cabinets. You've got a hall pantry. More overhead. Lowers. A lot of drawers there. You got 6 drawers. If you can't fit your silverware in 6 drawers, I don't know. Anyhow, there's a stainless steel sink, 2 basins with a single lever faucet. Over here you've got a 30-inch 5-burner range, 30-inch microwave, 18.5 cubic foot fridge, master bedroom in the back. It's a walk-around queen. There is no carpeting except in the stairs in the loft. As you can see, it's got square PVC flooring in here. Looks like ceramic tile. There's lights in the closets. Closet rods, drawers. You've got 8 drawers in here. And again, load them up. They're all full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Got a slider door. This walk around queen could be easily be replaced with the king. The bed will fit either way, although this way it faces the wardrobe. His and hers, or as I like to refer to them, hers and hers. His on the left, hers on the right, or hers on both. Okay, here's that pantry in the hallway I was telling you about. Let's get that on the way back through. See all the shelving in it. Got the pantry. Floor to ceiling pantry. That's it. In addition to the rest of the overhead cabinets. So let's check out the bathroom. It's a nice bathroom. It's got a window, 1-piece fiberglass tub surround. So you can take a shower or you can take a bath. Here's the medicine cabinet. Got shelves in there, nice medicine cabinet. Vanity. Got some storage under it. So heading back out. That's our down and dirty, quick little tour of the Summit 355 FL. Why do I like this trailer so much? I got 3 of them because they retail for $49.9. That's all I have to get for them. $49.9 and everybody's happy. So this is the 2020 Summit 355 FL with the Loft. And we best go look at the Loft or this video wouldn't be complete. So the Loft takes up half the trailer. It's just a basic loft. Carpeting. You've got an auxiliary air conditioner. You've got a TV jack right over there. Nice big loft. Just about half the trailer. So anyhow, if you're looking for an inexpensive loft that sleeps a lot of people, has a place for kids to play, this is it. $49.9 and you're all set. 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, stainless steel dual basin sink, table and 4 chairs, everything in it stays in it, nightstand and lamp, end table and lamp, fireplace, ceiling fan, 2020 Quail Ridge, 355 FL. If you got any questions, call Kelly at 815-849-9089. There's the view of the trailer. Up, down, all around. Raise you up so you can see the loft. I can't see, but that looks like it. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. There's lots more where that came from. Have a great day. Hello and welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction today, where we've been looking at park model trailers and trying to give you a great video walkthrough of all the different trailers we have here on the lot. This is a 2020 Summit 355 FL, and I'm here to tell you, look around anywhere in the United States and you show me where you can get a double loft trailer for the MSRP of $49.9. I'll tell you where. There's one place right here at Kelly Hicks Construction Incorporated. These were specially designed and built by Summit at the Forest River factory to give you exceptional value in a trailer. These have a 6-foot vinyl patio door. This one's actually linen colored with tan window and door package. Unit number 5696. This is Park Model RV. There's the RVIA industry number. So going on inside here, you can see it's a nice big trailer with a nice big loft, ceiling fan, extended dormers, nice big kitchen, a Mastercraft rocker recliner, Mastercraft sleeper sofa, end table and lamp, fireplace, nice big entertainment center, extended dormer, tall ceilings, table and 4 chairs, a lot of drawers, full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Got shelving in the closets. You've got a 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, stainless steel sink, single lever faucet, plank wood linoleum. I'm sorry, I spoke wrong. You've got plank wood PVC flooring on the entire main floor. That's right. The only carpeting in here is in the stairs and the loft. If I could put linoleum there, I would, but that's not an option. So you got to have a little bit of carpet in your trailer. You can see it's got a built-in auxiliary air conditioner. That'll help keep everybody cool up there in this giant-sized half loft. So let's go check out the rest of the trailer. You've seen the dining room, the living room, the fireplace, the well thought out kitchen with the 18.5 cubic foot refrigerator. You've got a hall pantry even. Look at the additional storage in this pantry. Well thought out. So in the bathroom, you got a nice big tub, shower, one-piece fiberglass tub surround. So the little kiddies can take a bath if they need to. And when they get older, they can take a shower. You've got, of course, the house type toilet. Here's the vanity medicine cabinet combo. There's your medicine cabinet. There's your vanity sink and the storage below. 5-burner range, 30-inch microwave, 18.5 cubic foot fridge. Got a sliding door. Got a queen bed, nightstand, and a lamp. Everything in them stays in them. Curtains, mini blinds, bedspread, furniture. There's the his and hers wardrobe. Really nice wardrobe. Wood mini blinds. There's lights in the closets. Again, full extension, ball bearing drawer guides. You could put a throw rug in here if you didn't like the feel of the linoleum on your Tootsies. But anyhow, this is a 2020 Summit 355 FL Loft, and these were a special edition. I ordered 3 of them so I could share them with anybody who wanted them. MSRP is $49.9, and that's unheard of in this day and age. So anyhow, if you got any questions, need some more pictures, want to fill out a credit app, want to come and see me, Kelly Hicks Construction, 815-849-9089. And have a great day, and thanks a lot for watching my videos. Have a good day. Hope I can sell you a trailer one day.